Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Monisi, and today I'm going to be giving my Christmas tree a little makeover. So today I'm just going to show you how I'm going to be making these more natural ornaments with things that you can find at the store. I think I put my Christmas tree up on the day of Halloween or maybe a few days after. I know that when we lived in Canada, we were basically living in a basement apartment with no natural light or very little natural light coming in. And I remember I started this tradition where every day of Halloween, I would put the Christmas tree up and just decorate. Every single year, I kind of gravitate towards a specific Christmas style, I guess. I've always loved vintage Christmas. I used to like pastel Christmas. Now when I think about it, it's like, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm not a big pastel fan anymore when it comes to like the white Christmas tree and all the pastel ornaments and stuff on it. It just, I don't like it anymore. But I've always really liked the colors that Anthropologie uses for their Christmas decorations, and I love World Market and their style as well with Christmas decor. But recently, I've really gravitated towards the more natural Christmas with like the orange slices, the cinnamon sticks, the cranberries, and like more woodsy type of theme, and gold. You have to have gold when it's Christmas. So this is what our tree looked like before. I wasn't a big fan of it. I decided to put all of our ornaments on it one day, and then I just walked away, and every time I would walk past it, I would just get more ideas of what I wanted it to look like. And I like our ornaments, but I just wanted to do something different this year. I actually have a video. Last year I did DIY Christmas ornaments with ornaments that I already had, and I will put the link up above for you guys to see that. And the Santa Claus I got at a garage sale, and then this is another DIY ornament that I did last year, and this was our first year after we got married. I love this one here. We got this at Hobby Lobby, and I decided to put it on my plant shelf so that it's still there but not on the tree. I started taking down all of the ornaments that were on the tree and also the star. This thing was spray painted last year because it was very red. Interesting. I got these two on separate occasions. I think I got this at the thrift store last year, I believe. It's very pretty. And then I got this year at a garage sale. But they have like the same string and everything. But I don't think I'm gonna use them. Now that the tree has no ornaments, I decided to add some gold ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby. This was a beautiful mesh wire, and I really liked the champagne gold. I played around with it until I liked the way it looked. I also added a few garlands that I found at Hobby Lobby with these gold pines, just to add a little more greenery to it. And I honestly love these icicles. I also got this at Hobby Lobby. I think this was $5.99 or $4.99. I think this was also half off when we got it. And this is also from Hobby Lobby. The berries, they always have really good sales, so it's nice to go. And these jingle bells are at Walmart. They were very cheap. That's a good option if you want ornaments that are miniature and for a good price. And then my mom likes to save pine cones, and she gave me a ton because she saved so many, so I just kind of randomly added them to the tree. And now it's time for us to make some dried grapefruit and oranges. I don't have a dehydrator, so I just put them in the oven. You basically just slice them very thinly. Some of them were a little thick, but you cut them up and then you put them in the oven, I think 220 for about 4 hours. And I've heard if you sprinkle salt, it kind of helps to soak up all of the juices, and then you pat it dry before putting it in, and this is what it looks like when you're done. As you can see, I have twine, oranges, some berries, some pine cones, ribbons, cinnamon sticks, and this is what we're going to be working with for these ornaments. I got the ribbons at Hobby Lobby. They have some beautiful ones, and I picked 3 colors that I really liked. I am going to be tying a lot of bows, so if you want to learn how to do that, I recommend you just replaying this clip until you get it. I think it's just easier to watch instead of just hearing me tell you how to do it, so here we go. With this part, you really have to pull at the 4 ends until you get the perfect bow that you want. I really had to work at it, so that's just my recommendation, because I did give up a few times in the beginning before I learned how to do this. I was very confused, so you just have to make sure you pull on each end, and then you get a perfect bow. For the first ornament, I poked a hole through the orange, and then I just put some twine around it and made a loop. And then I used a hot glue gun and I hot glued the bow and a pine cone on it, and this was simple and cute, very rustic looking, and I thought it looked adorable. And then this is the grapefruit. I love the color that it turned out. For the next one, you want to hot glue 2 cinnamon sticks together and then tie some twine around it again and make a loop. And what I ended up doing is I also hot glued a ribbon on this, and then I added a few berries, which I thought looked really cute and rustic and just adorable. This might be my favorite one because I love the smell of cinnamon, and it really brings out that Christmassy smell on the tree. I decided to use the sage green ribbon to do the bow for this one, and I think it looks so beautiful. The green with the red berry that I put over it, as you'll see later, looked perfect. Here's a reminder of what the tree looked like before. And this is what the tree looks like now. I like how simple it turned out. I like the little pops of color, but it's nothing crazy. It feels natural, and it really does make me feel like I'm in an old-timey Christmas movie. And I love the little jingle bells, the ribbons, the fruit, and the cinnamon sticks. It just feels perfect for our living room, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought, and please subscribe to my channel. I am hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by 2025. If you could please help me do that, I would really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope everybody had a very happy Thanksgiving with your families. I know a lot of people are still together this weekend, so please enjoy the holidays and just remember how blessed you are to have the people in your life. I hope to see you next time, and happy Thanksgiving.